You give me the cue. Oh, that's the cue.
That's the cue.
Let me grab that. Yeah, sure.
Yes?
It's me, Bernie.
Bernie,
Hey, pal.
how's it going?
Good. There's blood all over my face.
Just a minute.
Hope I'm not interrupting anything.
Never.
How are you?
Great. You reek.
Beer or scotch?
Scotch.
Good, I hate it when I smell like beer.
You know exactly what you mean. No class. What happened?
Jealous husband.
Bernie.
Came home early. Sucker got me right in the nose. Why didn't you call me back?
Because I hate your fucking guts.
Good. Thought you were avoiding me. I gotta crash.
You want me to call in?
No. No. I'll call her in the morning.
Sure.
You mean a lot to me, David.
Bernie. What a lovely thing to say. You want me to suck your cock?
Good night, David.
Good night, Bernie. Hello? Hi. Yeah. Sure. Hang on. It's your wife.
My wife. Honey. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have called. Me and David got way too drunk last night.
Hey!
Didn't want to drive home. Yeah, I'll be home soon. Okay, me too.
David and I got too drunk.
Oh, come on.
I'm not going to be an easy excuse for you.
David.
Keep it up, and I'm going to start demanding sexual favors in return.
You wish. Oh, shit.
What?
Oh, I'm late for work.
See how God punishes you for lying? Called in sick.
I could.
Of course you could. You work for the city.
Don't rub it in.
Did you shit in my mouth while I was sleeping?
It was the only way to stop you from snoring.
Well, you should talk. At least I didn't throw my arm over your shoulder every 5 minutes and dig my erection into the small of your back.
I didn't do that.
You did.
Oh, I gotta piss. Hey, Candy. Kinda quiet this morning, not feeling well?
Fuck you!
Andy?
She sure hates my guts.
Dan was her best friend.
She killed herself. I didn't do it.
I know.
So why does Candy blame me? Christ, you smoke a lot.
You cheat on your wife.
Hey!
It sounded like criticism to me.
Hey, did you read the paper? They identified that girl they found in the ravine. Sally Wilson, 16. Sexual assault and mutilation. The details are being withheld.
I'm sure it's never as bad as we imagine.
You think it's wrong? The way I cheat on women.
It's none of my business.
It kind of just happens, you know?
I can relate to that.
I know.
difference is, I didn't get married.
I did.
I know.
That whole time you were in Toronto, I missed you.
Bernie, are you trying to get real with me before we even clean the snot out of our eyes?
Nah.
Something on your mind?
Why is everything so hard?
I don't know.
I mean, it just seems like no matter how hard you work or what you do, it's never enough.
Bernie, it's 10 a.m. You got something smaller on your mind?
No. Let's go to Laurent and read daiquiris all day.
Trying to cut back.
On Laurent?
On daiquiris.
Oh, Bernie, you're getting boring.
It's my age.
Candy said I'd find you here.
You better not have heard her.
She's fine. How'd you get in?
Basement window.
We're good at that.
I found Linda in the freezer.
Well, you never really liked her.
I thought I knew you.
You do, David. You're just like me. Yes.
Shut up.
You're awful upset, pal.
That's
David, calm down. Okay? There weren't anyone that mattered. Waitresses, secretaries, nurses, hairdressers, for Christ's sake.
Jesus.
They weren't important.
Yes, they were.
To who?
To themselves. Their families. To me.
You? Get real, David. No one has ever mattered to you in your life.
It's not true.
You don't give a shit about people. They drop in and out all the time. Who cares how they feel? There's only ever been one person that you really cared about. Me.
You're sick.
Sick. Sick like getting your cock sucked in a car by some guy you don't even know. Fucking some guy in the dark that you can't see. Playing head games with some stupid boy.
Shut up, Bernie!
Too close for comfort, pal?
I mean it.
Let's cut the shit for once. We're the ones with the brains, David. We're the ones with the power.
What power?
The power to make people do whatever we want to.
I don't know you anymore.
You remember when my dad bought me that gun?
Stop it.
It was just before that camping trip. When you told me you loved me. We shot one partridge. Remember how it felt when you shot it? You said you had never killed anything before. You said it was a rush. That's how I felt when Dana killed herself.
I'm gonna stop you.
Yeah? Stay with me, David. We'll go somewhere. Somewhere where they don't know me, okay? I won't do it again.
It's too late.
No one has to know. Nothing has to change.
Bernie, Candy knows. Bonita knows.
It's your fault. You left the first time. I could control it when you were around.
Don't, Bernie. Don't.
I'll do it again, David. I'll keep doing it. I will. You'll have no friends. You'll be alone.
Let go of me, Bernie!
They'll hurt me, David. They'll put me in jail. Please, don't leave me again.
I'm sorry.
Please! I thought you loved me.